121 number question কি বলছে the graded profile of a river to course is a এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, smooth curve and from main source of the mouth, the graded profile of a river of course. 120 number 1 question explain the course a river to from a source is a mouth of normally divided three section, namely upper and middle and lower course. Action of the river is a valley from the source is the mouth in the relation to the features of the developed by the its seen in the river to valley profile is known as the graded profile. Throughout the long profile of a river to deposition and erosion of the balance meeting of that has given to enough to time the rivers and long profile would has become to a smooth concave and profile from its source of the mouth. Next question. 122 number question কি বলছে the largest forest which is cover 25% of the world forest land is এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, taiga forest of the Siberia, the largest forest which have covered 25% of the whole of the forest land. 122 number question explain taiga is the world largest landed biome. It is make up to 29% of the world forest cover, also known as the boreal forest, the snow forest. It is the characterized by an coniferous and the forest consisting mostly of the pines of the spruce and larches. The largest areas of the taiga are located in Russia and Canada. Next question. 123 number question কি বলছে the majority of the earth crust is a composed of the which is the rock. এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, igneous, the majority of the earth crust, the composed with the rock. 123 number question explain the earth is composed predominantly of the large mass of igneous rock with a very thin veneer and weathered of the material of namely sedimentary of the rock and igneous rock and form from the solidification of magma which is the hot motion of the particle motion rock. Igneous of the metamorphic rock has make up to 93-95% to top of the 16 kilometer of the earth crust by volume. Next question. 124 number question কি বলছে the equator does not to pass and through which of the following countries এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, Mexico, the equator does not to pass through which is the countries Kenya, Indonesia and Brazil is the equator the passes of through. 124 number question explain the equator passes through 30 countries Equator, Colombia, Brazil, Sao Tome Principe, Gabon and Republic of the Congo, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia, Maldives and Indonesia and Kiribati. Next question. 125 number question কি বলছে willow for a the cricket bat is the often form এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, deciduous forest, the soul of the cricket bat is often formed. 125 number question explain willow is a species of the deciduous of trees and shrubs found of the primarily of the moist of the soil in cold and temperate of regions of northern hemisphere. Willow wood is also used of the manufacture as a boxes, brooms, cricket bat, and groom the certain stain of the white willow, cradle board, etc. Next question. 126 number question কি বলছে which one of the following the river to crosses the Tropic of Capricorn of Trees এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B, Limpopo, just a river of the crosses the Tropic of Capricorn of Trees. 126 number question explain that Limpopo river in card shows the Tropic of Capricorn trees. It has the reaches of the Transvaal and flows and through South Africa, Botswana and Mozambique to the Indian Ocean. And the Limpopo is the second largest river of the Africa that is a drain of the Indian Ocean after the Zambia river. Next question. 127 number question কি বলছে an earthquake is also known as এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? And number B, tremor, an earthquake is also known as. 127 number question explain an earthquake is also known as a quake, tremor and tremblor at the earth's surface. An earthquake and manifest of themselves by shaking of the sometime of the displacement of the ground. It is the result of a sudden to release to energy and earth and crust and create of the seismic wave. Next question. 128 number question কি বলছে why is the south pole of the colder than the north pole এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A, high altitude of the south pole colder than a north pole. 128 number question explain both the Arctic and North Pole and Antarctic and South Pole are is cold because they don't get any direct sunlight. What is the make the South Pole are so much colder than North Pole? Is that its side on the top and very thick and the ice of sheet which of the itself and side of the continent and that is surface of the ice of the sheet of the South Pole more than 9,000 feet of elevation of the more then a mile of half above the sea level. This elevation make of the South Pole much and colder than North Pole, which is the site of the middle of the Arctic Ocean of the National Geographic. Next question. 129 number question কি বলছে the area of market by the internal drainage এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number C, desert, the area market of internal drainage. 129 number question explain the internal drainage in the coast drainage basin that is retains the water and allows no outflow other external bodies of water such as the river to or ocean but to converges the instead into to take and swamps. Such drainage too can occur to any climate but most commonly found in desert of the location. For example, Luni River in Rajasthan has internal drainage system. Next question. 130 number question কি বলছে the area which of the resistant to any massive the structural transformation is called এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D, shelled, the area of the resistant of the massive structural transformation. 130 number question explain the a shield is generally large area of exposed and Precambrian crystalline of igneous and high grade of metamorphic rock that is from the tectonically stable areas. They are resistant to geological structural transformation. They are normally to nucleus and continents.